So actually we will have, oh, sorry. Okay, delete it one more time. So we have 100. Then we have a array, list is 20, 26, 0. So the first place is we want to replace A, right? Okay, we want to count each one. So we can do it. I just demonstrate what's the effort of the 26 multiple 0. Yeah, you will have a 26, 0 list, right? But actually we do not want to print count here. We just demonstrate. And then what we really want is for I, we want to count for I in range. Okay, the length of the counts. And because we have 26, right? And we want to count everyone. Yeah. So the counts first is ORD chars. I means 100 chars, right? We want it back to his ASCII code, right? And we want it minus A. You know why? Because if this is A minus A will in the counts, it will become 0, right? Because if the first letter is A, right? First letter, because I is the first 0, and this later, it just, if it is A, right? And this part will equal, this part will plus 1. Yeah, it will plus 1. If it is B, and it will make the B place, because they will have 26, 0, right? From the first 0 and 1 and 2. And in the 0 places, because it's a list, in the 0 places, if you are A, you will plus 1. If you are B, then this part will be equal 1. So counts B, the B places index 1 will plus 1. So use these methods, we can make every characters be recorded, how many times it occurred. Then finally, we return the counts. Okay, so finally we will have the counts. And we also need the display counts. Okay, display counts. Of course, you need to give me the counts. Okay, so for counts, we want every 10, yeah. For I in range, every 10 we just change the line. The length of the counts, and if I plus 1 remainder 10 equals 0, then we change the line. The way we change the line, just print counts. We print it's different from your textbook. We print chars I plus ORD A, because we want to print A first. And the first I is 0, right? So first will be A ORD is become ASCII code 97, and char, you will print A, right? And then we will print the counts. I means count, memorize how many times A occurs, right? Because we used it to calculate every characters, how many times they occurs, right? Cool. So else, because when it remainder 10 equal 0, then we will change the line. Otherwise, we do not change the line. But we do not change the line. We use END. Yeah, just one spaces. Okay, so we collect. Now we can find the main function, right? Main function first, we will create a chars. A chars. We will call the create chars, right? Then it will return the chars, right? Then first we will call the second. Maybe you can print the 100 lowercase letters R to the line. Then we print it. There is a display list, right? Print it. And this chart is put into this, and we will get 100 printed, right? Display it. And then we will have accounts. This accounts is count letters, right? Yeah, we have counts, and then we will display the counts. Yeah, it's great. Okay, so I think when we display the counts, then we can print here. Occurrences of each letter are as follow. Go. Oh, sorry. Remember, every time when you have a main function, finally you have to call main function. Go. So, oh, it's a typing error, right? So you print twice. Oh, it's too much. I don't want it to print twice. Print count, display count. Count letters give to the counts, and we display create. Oh, because I print it here. So now because it's for test, now we just print here. It's occurrence. Sorry, occurrence. Occurrences. Oh, so there 100. Oh, typing error. No. Right. And also I want to have some spaces. Okay, A, how many times appear? A appear, at least twice. So the function have problem. Yeah, the function have problem. Oh, so many A here. So it's something wrong. So we have to check here. It's wrong. So it's something wrong here. Let me see. Plus, so it's counts. 100. Okay, we started from here. Chars equal create list. We will create list. We will have the chars. So chars will return. Yeah, create list. Return. And we will display the chars. Display the chars. Let's just print it. Okay. Then we will move to the spaces. Okay, then the counts equal the count letters with chars. Count letters with chars. Which one? the charts. We'll have 26. And we will return the counts. So it will return the counts and met counts to display. So what's wrong? You can write it one more time. What's wrong? Check it. And it appear 3 times. So the number have some problem.